friends, welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club with another video. I hope you like this channel. We learn painting here.
Oh yeah!
Today we are going to color an elephant. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin with me and keep watching the video till the end. Very good. Nice color. Elephant is the biggest land animal. Very nice. Wow. Good job. So cute elephant. Nice music. Thanks for being with me, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.